Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix multiple accounts in StarMaker. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you have multiple StarMaker accounts and want to manage or fix issues related to them, what you can do is first identify your account. Then once you identify your account, decide which account you want to keep. Then once you have selected the account that you want to keep, all you gotta do is log in the credentials of that account, and then once logged in, what you can do is tap on the Me option on the bottom corner of the screen, then simply tap on the settings tab on settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside the settings, what you need to do is select account security under account, and then under account security, here you will find the option that says delete account. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully remove that account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.